In this video, we are going to demonstrate the process of effortlessly downloading Instagram Threads. Make sure to watch the entire video to avoid any missteps. Let's dive in. To begin, open the App Store on your iOS device or Google Play on your Android device. In the search bar, type Threads and hit Enter. Among the search results, you'll spot Threads for Instagram at the top, excluding any ads. Simply tap on the Get button associated with it. After tapping Get, you might be required to confirm the installation process, especially if you're using an iPhone 11 or a similar device. Once you've confirmed, patiently wait for the download to finish. Once it's done, launch the Threads app. Upon launching the Threads app, you'll notice that your Instagram username is already populated automatically. Tap on your username to proceed. Now you'll have the opportunity to customize your profile further. You can edit your display name, add a bio, and even insert links if you prefer. Feel free to skip the link addition if it's not something you want to include right now. Following this, you'll need to decide whether you'd like your profile to be public or private. For this tutorial, I'll choose the public option. Once you've made your decision, click Next. And that's it. You've successfully set up Threads and linked it with your Instagram followers. Feel free to explore the app's features and functionalities to enhance your Instagram experience. Remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more insightful guides. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our work.